Let's see why trailer operations are so challenging. Truck trailers come to docks from a distant location, typically run by different companies, with little or no information exchange between source and destination hubs. The crew at the destination typically has minimal understanding of what will be found inside the trailer, including shape and form of goods. And only after doors of a trailer open can the loading or unloading process be planned and executed, one step at a time. And finally, truck trailers are not another type of typical indoor space. They're literally on the edge, where every new trailer is a unique environment the system needs to adapt to. Gideon autonomous trailer operations vehicle, which we named Trey, is designed to operate at 25 pallets per hour and can be used for both loading and unloading operations. The unloading process is flexible. Before beginning with operation, it requires no predetermined knowledge about the trailer type, types of pallets, or loading pattern. Trey recognizes environment on the fly, determining the optimal next step at every step of operation. The decision-making process relies on machine learning algorithms. It begins with the robot's ability to recognize important objects in 3D, determine relative positions of objects inside trailer, and finally decide about and execute the next optimal step. In the case of two pallets located next to each other, Trey recognizes which pallet needs to go out first, because so often one pallet is blocking another. On the other side, the loading process is capable of relying on either predetermined or custom loading patterns, which allows the system to become quickly and easily tailored for a new truck trailer.